Hello everyone and welcome to frompizzatodalchawal. So today I'll be sharing the recipe of this healthy and tasty Tikki Chaat. This is a healthier version of our normal aloo Tikki Chaat. So do check out the recipe and give it a try. जदि आपण ए रेसिपी को ओडिया रे देखिया चाहते देन तळे थिया डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स लिंक को चेक करंतु. First I have taken 2 raw bananas and 2 small potatoes and boiled them. Mash everything well using a fork. Add 3 tablespoons of finely chopped onion, 1 tablespoon of grated ginger, 2 chopped green chillies, salt as per taste, half teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon red chilli powder, 1 tablespoon of besan or gram flour, and 3 tablespoons of corn flour. You can also take arrowroot powder. Mix everything well. Now take a portion on greased palms and make a tikki. Heat oil in a pan. Place the tikkis one by one. Shallow fry the tikkis on medium flame. Flip and roast from the other side. Shallow fry the tikkis till they turn golden brown in color. Our tikkis are perfectly roasted now. Now let's serve and make the tikki chaat. Place 2 tikkis on a plate. Top them up with whisked curd, tamarind chutney or sweet chutney, green chutney or mint coriander chutney, finely chopped onion, roasted cumin powder, chaat masala, and some save for crunch. This is completely optional. Our delicious tikki chaat is ready now. This tastes just like street style tikki chaat. Just the difference is this is a bit healthier. So do try this out yourselves and let me know how it turned out. So if you like this recipe, do share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.